I use the Amazon Influencer Program to help me make extra thousands of dollars every single month. I've been doing this for years, and I'm going to show you a tool that you absolutely must have if you are trying to be successful with the Amazon Influencer or Amazon Associates program. Okay, so we all know that the Amazon Influencer and Amazon Associates program is this great opportunity, and then we get into the program and we're all excited, and then it's like a flop. You're not making what you thought you would, and you want to make more income. You need to help your family, you want to go on more vacations, whatever that is your drive to use this program to help create income. You need to not go into this blindly. And when I say that, I mean you need to be doing your research, and you need to be having a strategy when you start this program. Now, if you are a beginner or maybe you are new to making money online, you are going to benefit from using a research tool like the one I'm about to show you right now, because it does a lot of the work for you. So if you want to learn a little bit more about on-site and off-site commissions, I'm going to be using those terms a little bit in this video. I have a separate video if you'd like to watch it that helps explain what each of these are. And the reason I just preface that is because if you're in the Associates program, you're already doing this. If you are in the Influencer program specifically, you need to be focusing on and incorporating off-site commissions into your strategy, meaning you're not relying on Amazon on-site commissions for all of your income with the program. Now, when you do utilize off-site commissions, it's very important to have deep linking. Deep linking is a way that you can take your unique Amazon associate link, your affiliate link, whatever you want to call it, and what deep linking does is it takes that link and makes it a mobile link. So when people who are on their phones click on your deep link, they are taken to the Amazon app within their phone, on their phone. Versus if you do not deep link and you just share the link that you get off of Amazon, that is going to take them to a web page where they have to log into Amazon before they can view the product or the list or whatever it is you're trying to share with them. So most people, I know me, I shop on Amazon on my phone. So if I'm looking through someone's social media or your YouTube channel or your blog on my phone, likely, and I decide to click on your link and it doesn't open the Amazon app on my phone, aka it's not a deep link, that is going to affect your conversions, meaning you're going to need a lot more people to click on that non-deep link to get them to actually purchase something, so you in turn earn a commission. Versus if you have deep links, no matter whether someone is on their computer or on their phone, they click on that, it's going to take them to either the Amazon website if they're on a desktop, but if they're on mobile, it'll take them right to the Amazon app where they're already logged in, there's no extra steps, and they're way more likely to purchase that product. So a deep linking service that I've been using for quite a while now is called JoyLink. If you've already heard about deep linking and you already know you want to start earning extra commissions, I'll put a link in the description for JoyLink if you want to just go over there right away and check it out. JoyLink is a service where they offer deep linking, but so much more. So I wanted to show this to you guys because, again, if you are not already using JoyLink, then you are missing out on money, okay? You are missing out on opportunity. And I'm going to show you a few of the reasons why. So I'm going to go ahead and share my screen and share JoyLink with you to show you everything that it can do and how it can help you and how it has helped me as well. Okay, so this is what it looks like inside the JoyLink website. So this is the dashboard, and I'm going to go over what some of these things are and what they mean. So right on the front, you'll be able to see links that I've already used or products that I've already done deep linking on. So if you are on Amazon and say you find a product here, you want to create a deep link for this product for you to share with your Amazon Associates reference ID attached to it, so you'll earn a commission when someone clicks on your deep link. Now, I have the Chrome extension already installed for JoyLink, which I'll talk about in a minute, but I'm going to show you what you would do otherwise. You would literally just take the link on Amazon, you would go to JoyLink, paste the Amazon link here, and you'd hit create link. Now, when you get JoyLink, you'll actually set it up with your Amazon Associates account. So it'll already have your information in here. So you can make sure that you'll be credited for all of the links that you're sharing. But that is it. It's right here now. You can copy this link. I'll just paste it right here so you can see what it looks like. This is what the deep link looks like. So I would go and I would share that on my social media, my YouTube, wherever it is that I want the link to that product. Now, I just talked about how JoyLink has the Chrome extension, which makes it way easier to even do that. I know it's copy and paste. It's pretty easy by itself. But when you download this Chrome extension, it works on your Chrome browser, and it's already attached into Amazon. So literally all I have to do when I'm scrolling Amazon is go here on a product and hit create link, and it's copied to my clipboard. So I can just I'll paste it right here so you can see my JoyLink deep link for this product. So let's just say, I'll show you on a different thing. Let's just say I wanted to also share this product as well, this mount. I would go to the product page, and real easy, right up here, I'd create another deep link. Boom. Now I have a deep link copied to my clipboard, ready to use, so that I can put that wherever I'd like to distribute it. So another thing I also want to mention as well, when you are on the JoyLink website here, you'll see this deal catalog. Now, this is absolutely huge for anyone who is trying to share deals, whether it's in a Facebook group, on your social media, maybe there's a deal on Amazon on something that you want to share, and it's only for a day or two, right? You need to know about those deals so that you can share them and earn commissions on them. So JoyLink has this really nice full catalog of extra deals that are going on Amazon right now. So you can sort these through all these different kind of ways, and they even have them organized into categories. So you can just go to a certain category if that's what you usually share on your socials or your YouTube, your blog. Let's say you share home and kitchen items. You can go to home and kitchen here, and you can see what deals are going on Amazon right now, so you can share those to your audience. So this makes it super easy. I know there's so many people, especially in my community, who have deal groups where they just have a Facebook group where that's literally all they do is share Amazon deals with people. And I know me as a consumer, like, I want to know all the deals that are going on right now. I mean, especially even something like this, it's half off right now, right, with this coupon. So you, as an Amazon associate or as an Amazon influencer, need to have these deals ready for your audience so that you can share them as soon as they are happening. So this is a great tool. I have not seen any other tool out there that has done this like JoyLink. And then another thing I haven't seen anyone do is this. So if you're on the Pro plan, you'll be able to get these extra commission deals, meaning JoyLink has gone out and negotiated with these brands on Amazon, and they're going to give you an extra commission just for being an Amazon associate or an Amazon influencer with JoyLink. So if you have JoyLink, you can earn extra commissions on products that you would normally not earn if you were to just share it right off of Amazon. That, my friends, is probably the most important thing I will share throughout this entire video, because that puts you at such a great advantage compared to every other Amazon influencer, every other Amazon associate out there that doesn't have JoyLink and isn't able to earn these extra commissions. So again, you can sort these different ways that you'd like to here. You can even, if you wanted to, go to commission amount, and you can sort by the commission amount that you'll receive from these items with extra commission deals that JoyLink has negotiated for you. So this one here, this ice bath, you're going to earn $262 per sale of this ice bath when you share it. And the list goes on and on. There is definitely not a shortage, I will tell you that, of deals and extra commission deals on JoyLink. I think a lot of other people who maybe have tried to do this just missed the mark, and JoyLink honestly is blowing my mind with the extra commission deals that they're able to get, because they're actually things like that people want. I mean, They're nice items that are on Amazon. So this is really cool for you and really exciting for you, honestly, if you're a creator. I am on the JoyLink Pro plan, and it is paid for itself more than tenfold every single month. So I believe that it is definitely worth it. In my opinion, I think every Amazon influencer, every Amazon associate should have this. When I first started with Amazon Associates about 8 years ago now, when I was making my blog, I wish I had this because I could have made a lot more money than I did. Granted, I made quite a bit, and I still make quite a bit from Amazon Associates, but now I make even more because JoyLink has helped me with that. So really cool things about JoyLink. One more thing I want to share with you guys. You might have noticed this little star here, or when we were back on Amazon, this AI post. This is a feature that JoyLink has created recently, actually, that makes it even easier for you to share these products and share these deals that are going on. So let's just go back to the deals page, and let's just say you want to share this ice bath in your Amazon deal group or your social. You can go to generate AI post, and based on how you've trained your AI, so you can train it your specific way in your JoyLink account, it'll create a post for you right here that has the product name. I've just trained my AI this way to show the name of the product in a more condensed way. I don't want it to list the whole entire Amazon product name because sometimes those can get lengthy. The price, the discount, and my link, my JoyLink deep link. So this makes it really easy. Obviously, you'd want to tweak this and just add a few more things, maybe an emoji, or say, hey, big deal happening now, but this puts everything into one place. So it's super easy to just boom, pop in here, create an AI post, and you have the most important information that you need to share this deal with your audience. So I would highly recommend JoyLink. This is something that, again, if you are a creator, if you're an affiliate, if you're an Amazon associate, you absolutely need to be utilizing JoyLink if you want to make more commissions, which if you are a affiliate or an influencer, I don't know why you wouldn't want to. So I would recommend using JoyLink. They have a free plan. If you want to check out the free plan, the pro plan, again, has paid for itself over and over and over and over and over again for me, from the extra commission deals and the extra income that I've been able to make from using JoyLink itself. Just the deep links alone have increased my conversion rates like crazy. So I would definitely recommend using this tool specifically because it has a lot of other features than just a normal deep linking service. So if you want to check out JoyLink for yourself and start utilizing this tool, which I definitely think you should, I'll put a link in the description below, and I will talk to you guys soon about more Amazon influencer and Amazon associates tips.